There we go. This is going to be cool. Let's see, where did they go? There they are. You're on candid camera. Huh? I can lean around.
That bug. Clean the bottle up.
That is wicked. I wish I could get it to show the water moving. That would be so cool. No, I don't want to go back over there though.
You got flip-flops or shoes?
I got flip-flops. Donna, 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 Donna. Jaws is coming. Get out of the way. You know what? I said, Jaws is coming. Get out of the way. That's cool. I can actually get that now. It's showing it. Oh, they're right in the way again. Huh?
If you see the other side, you're missing a lot.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm promising.
Paddle.
Oh, which way?
Well, me on Mark's shoulders.
I'm trying to keep from hitting him. I'm trying to keep from hitting him.
Go! Get away! Get away! Work. How does land? Let's go about the thing again. Let's go! Go! I'm working up there. Here, Mark. Get the fuck back. Go!
Oh.
1 second,